That's the only part he beats me in.
That literally is what dictates. You know what? Whatever. It doesn't matter. Oh, jeez! That was killing. He's speaking the language of the gods. You get all those references now. It makes me so happy.
Me too. Peace and carrots.
I can remember making that reference around you. You're like, what are you talking about? God damn it, Quake, why are you so weird? Why am I friends with you? I'm like, Jesus, it's a quote from Dragon Ball. And you're like, Dragon Ball sounds weird. Naruto's better.
I will say this. I was wrong.
I have that on film. Quick, picture quick. Save it. Save it.
I was wrong.
Okay.
I would have called anyone that.
Are you ready for Savior Valkyrie? Shot 7 against. Let me just pull out his beautiful case. Daimyo Samuraizor. Are you ready, Insta?
I am ready.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I'm a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie. First of all, this is brand spanking new. It hasn't even evolved or awakened yet. The blade's still pretty fresh. I did a few test battles just to get the hang of using it, because it's wonky. But it's got a spring-loaded driver that activates once it slows down. Even then, it kind of activates almost immediately. You get like 5, maybe less seconds of it just being on the sharp tip, and then it bounces, and then it's aggressive. But the main reason why I'm like really interested in battling this thing is because it, like Samuraizor, is spring-loaded. The teeth spring forward about to the halfway point, and then it clicks 2 more times, and boom! It's that's how it bursts. Whereas Samuraizor, the whole layer is spring-loaded, and it doesn't click at all, and it just resets completely. So, we'll see who did it better. Insta.
Yeah.
I'm excited. I'm also a little nervous. I'm either going to break...
It's gonna jump over you every time, and you're gonna run out of stamina.
Most likely. This thing moves around a lot, and Samuraizor doesn't do well with stuff like that. So I'm either gonna accidentally break my brand new BEY, or I'm gonna lose somehow, magically. I really hope it's not the latter. Shut up! You're stupid. Got him.
Well, you're bad.
No. Shut up. Okay.
You're a second-rate blader with a third-rate BEY.
No, that's Zera.
Oh. You're not wrong.
It's okay. He doesn't watch my videos. He doesn't know. And if he does watch my videos, it's just a joke. I'm just joking. I was kidding. Get out of my comment section. First one to 10 points. Wait, is it? No, it's first to 15, right? We started doing 15 with regular BEYs too?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's first to 15.
Yeah.
Once a BEY hits 7 points, I'm going to switch the DB BEY into high mode. That way it has a chance to shine in both modes. Ow! It hit me. I bursted it.
Okay.
I think
2-0.
2-0. Wow. Almost awakened it right away. This one's about to come off.
Wow.
Wow. That's 2-0. Well, okay, so I'm pretty sure Samuraizor just has superior power then. I think that's what that means.
Like the power driver.
You mean like the power driver? Sorry, I have all the Valkyries out right now. I was like, ooh, I want to compare. Oh, I jumped! Oh god! Its power is overwhelming.
Oh.
Told you the shot driver's no joke. You gotta treat it with a certain amount of respect there, bucko. Gotta treat it with a certain amount of respect there. fucko.
Hey, don't appropriate my culture.
Appropriate my culture. Stop being as white as you are.
I'm not white. I'm the farthest thing from it.
Are you sure?
I'm less white than DK.
Wow! Dude, I hate to break it to you, but he's kind of got you beat in the melanin section. You kind of lose there.
That's the only part he hates, man.
That literally is what dictates. You know what? Whatever. It doesn't matter. Oh, jeez! That was scary. That's 4-1. You're doing great, Valkyrie. I'm proud of you. That was scary.
I'm gonna look like Vegeta by the end of the game.
I believe in you.
Or Xander.
Xander Jacadera.
Yeah, or Jacques.
Jacques. Bro, I actually...
He's one of the only people that I like the English name more for.
Yeah, me too. Then again, I do get PTSD flashbacks every time I hear the name. Oh boy! 4-2! Just Valkyrie in the 42! There we go. I just needed to get that out of my system.
You disgust me.
Hey! Shut the fuck up!
You're not fucking funny.
You're right. You know what? You got me. I'm hilarious! Oh! Nice try, buckaroo, but the only person who has the strongest spring-loaded gimmick is me.
Daimyo seems different.
What do you mean?
How's his staying so still right there?
Oh, probably because of that. I don't know if you
Because of what? Oh.
Yeah, the whole slanted rubber driver. You're probably gonna have to replace that.
It's rubber Quake.
What about me? That doesn't make any sense, Master.
Shut up.
Shut up. Okay, what is that? 5 to 2?
Yeah.
Haha, I didn't have the 42. 7 to 2. Get out of here, loser. Loser Valkyrie. It hasn't awakened though. That's kind of shocking. I figured samurais would just be like, doink. No more rubber blades for you, mister. I don't know why samurais is Russian. That's my headcanon now. Samurais is just Russian. Yay! Oh, does that make it 8 now? No, it was 7 before. I gypped Valkyrie.
There's a lot wrong with you.
And? What, is this new information to you? Dude,
just
observation skills,
like
bro.
to make it known.
Dude,
I just like to make it known.
everyone knows. What are you talking about? Are you stupid? Click, click, click. Oh, see, that would never happen with Samuraizor. My big better. Seriously though, Takara Tomy, don't steal my stuff. Just hire me. Yeah. Idiots. That's 8 to 2.
It started with Backlash and
9 to 2.
Master.
Yeah.
Then they were like, oh, Switch Frame is a cool idea. Naked Spriggan.
Yeah.
And they were like, Daimyo, here. Get out of here.
That's 9 to
9 to 2.
9 to 2. Spider 2.
No.
Ow. I'm not gonna count it if the shot activates before I can launch my own bay. Get in there. Oh. Oh, there we go. I just had to scare it into submission. There it goes.
10 to 2. Xavier's gonna come back and win this.
Dude, that would be terrifying. If it's just like, yeah, I'm no longer going to burst to your overwhelming attack power. 10-2! Yeah! falls out before there's any contact. That's unfortunate. What'd you say?
It sounds like a skill issue.
It's not with a luck issue. Bad luck, bro. Why do you gotta
I don't blade with luck. That's a lie. I blade with luck.
I was just waiting for you to fess up. Never thought I'd see the day. Okay, that's 12 to 2. I have quite... let's see. I have 6 times the points. Go me. What?
Did you... God damn it. Just go.
What?
Just go.
Okay. Okay. Burst! Okay. Aw. Okay,
It flipped.
Shut up. Hate you. The only reason Valkyrie doesn't flip is because it's really, really good at stabilizing. Like, it's spooky. It'll pull itself out of a flower pattern. It's so good at stabilizing. I'm sorry. Okay, that is 12 to 12. That's French for 3, if you didn't know. You're welcome. I'm just handing out free information here. You know what? Everyone in the comments, pay me. Pay me now. Give me money. Shut up, phone. I'm sick of your shit. Oh, I'm sorry. Were you trying to be effective or something? Didn't work. I'm too powerful for you, bro. I'm too flim-flamming,
Alright.
plumbing.
You know what you need?
What?
You need to hit the Rashad launch.
What's that?
You just launch directly upwards into the air.
Deal. Oh, shit! It didn't work. My ceiling is too low. He launched in a giant gymnasium. This isn't fair. By the way, I want here. You know what? I have it somewhere. Let me just 1 second. Okay, so this right here. This is a sketched out page for chapter 3 that's never coming out. I don't plan on continuing the comic series at all. But notice what Quick's doing right here. You see that? I drew this before DB was even out. Look at this. Launched it straight into the air. Knew exactly what he was doing. Takara Tomy, don't steal my ideas. Just hire me. I'm a good boy. I can do good things for you.
Sarah, Quake.
No. I'm the best friends with Kira Morita. Okay.
Came in. 4 bodyguards went in the snow and
Stop.
Wait, wrong story.
4 bodyguards found his friend lost lawn. Oh Lord! It's okay. We're stalling. It's 13. Yeah, it's 13 to 3. Yes.
Can you imagine clicking on a video? You're like, okay, cool. 3D printed Beyblade match against Savior Valkyrie. Can't wait to see this. And it's like, okay, it's going pretty good. They're cracking some funny jokes, and they just go on a fucking 5-minute tangent about someone that you have no idea. They're making jokes that you have no context to. That's why we're the best VTubers ever.
That is completely a factual statement. I don't even need to burst you. I can still knock you out. I'm gonna knock you out. Hey, Mama said no.
You need to launch it at a 90-degree angle.
Samuraizor?
No, Savior.
Okay, I'm ready. Let me just...
I'm ready.
How do I don't know how to... Savior vertical. More like 90 degrees.
when it'll break and it looks so inappropriate.
Replay!
Oh my god.
Why did that sound really good?
This is not Savior Valkyrie. This is Erection Valkyrie.
This isn't Savior Valkyrie. This is... I can't. We're not going there. We're not doing this. That's 14 to 3. Yes. That'll do it. That'll do it. Love you, DK. All right. So that was Daimyo Samuraizor versus its shitty doppelganger. Ugh, you cannot defeat what you cannot beat. Shut up! I ran out of ideas there. Thanks everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed. This was terrifying. It didn't awaken at all. Dude, all 3 of those rubber blades that are supposed to pop off did not. Tell you what, we'll do a rematch, okay? When...
Daimyo isn't strong.
Shut up! It's cheating. This thing's a cheater. It's just using Daimyo's ability, sort of, against it. When these all wear off, I will do a rematch. A Quakin Savior versus Ultimate Spring Day. That's exactly. That's the plan. All right, play the outro.